Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Transient Keyword in Serialization and De-Serialization. So first of all, let us have a small revision. What are IO streams in Java? So IO stands for Input Output. Then what is stream? So stream means flow of data from source to destination in a Java program. So basically in Java, we have two types of streams. First one, input stream, and second one, output stream. So what are input streams? So input streams are nothing but reading stream. They will read the data from source to the Java program, and generally the source is keyboard. From keyboard, we are going to accept the input to our Java program. And second one, output streams. So output streams are nothing but writing streams. So writing streams, they will write the data from Java program to the destination, and generally the destination is monitor or display or output screen. And to work with IO streams, we have java.io package. So in java.io package, we have different input stream classes and different output stream classes, using which we can perform reading operations and writing operations efficiently in our program. So now coming to the concept of transient. What is this transient keyword? So first of all, transient keyword is used in serialization and deserialization concept. So what is this keyword? So it is a modifier used before. So it is a modifier used before data members of a class which is serializable. For example, let us say that we have class A implements serializable. So serializable is a interface. So we have to use this before the data members. For example, let us take some data members here. Int A, float B, char C, boolean D, and we'll take one object, something like string SS. So before this, we have to use the keyword transient. So transient keyword before the data members. So what is the speciality of this transient keyword before the data members? So transient data members. So transient data members does not participate in serialization process. So they does not participate in serialization process. So what does it mean? Okay, that is transient data is not written. It is not written to output stream. So generally the output stream is file. It is not written onto the file. So that is what is transient data members. So when we access the transient data using deserialization, we get the default values. So when transient data is accessed after deserialization, then we get default values for data members. Example, so for all integers we get 0. For floating, float or double will get 0.0. Next, for boolean we get false, and then for char we'll get Unicode null character, and that Unicode null character, it is not displayed on the output screen, and for any object we get null. Null means nothing or no value. So for A we'll get 0, for B we'll get 0.0, for C we'll get Unicode null character, D false, SS null. So what is the use of this transient keyword? So the note point goes like this. So for example, if we have some private or confidential data, so private means not private data members, general. So private or confidential data that does not need to be serialized. So if we have some private or confidential data that does not need to be serialized, then we make them as transient. So when we make them as transient, such data is not made persistent on the output stream. So such data is not made persistent on output stream. Example 5. So generally we are storing the object data on a file using FileNotFoundException. So this is what is the speciality of transient keyword. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Transient keyword example 1. So let us take a new page. So write the comments first. Program to demo transient keyword in serialization and deserialization. Take the main class with main method. Transient keyword example 1 main method. So let us save this program in our working directory. So save the program as transient keyword example 1 dot java. Right, so let us take the same class here, serializable class. So class A object can participate in serialization and deserialization. So first we'll take class A, implements serializable interface. Serializable interface. So we'll import java.io.star. Right. So now coming to the main class with the main method, first we'll perform serialization, and next we'll perform deserialization. So in the same program, we are going to perform both of them. So let us write the code for serialization. First, we'll create a object for class A. Okay, so class A obj is equals to new A. So obj dot A is equals to 10. Obj dot B is equals to 5.6 F. Obj dot C is equals to character A. Next, obj dot D is equals to boolean value true. Next, obj dot E is equals to something like hello. Okay, we don't have E, we have SS. So SS is for string. So here we'll take one display method also, void display method in class A, and then we'll display all values using system.out.println A plus B plus C plus D plus E. So here we'll use the tab spaces in between them. So all the values will be displayed in a single line: A, B, C, D, E, integer, float, character, boolean, string with tab spaces. So now let us print those values initially. Obj.display. Right, so save this, open the command prompt, go to your working directory, compile transient keyword example1.java. Right, so cannot find symbol, so we are getting A, B, C, D, E. So it's instead of E, we are supposed to take that as SS. Right, so take it as SS. SS is for string data member. Right, save it, command prompt, recompile, and no error, run it. So initially int 10, float 5.6, character A, boolean true, string SS hello. So same data will perform serialization. How? We'll take file output stream, FOS is equals to new file output stream, and then we'll give a file name something like abc.txt. Right, so since we are using file output stream, we'll put all this complete coding in try block, and then in the last we will use catch exception E. It can handle any type of exception. System.out.println E. Right, next we'll create an object of object output stream OOS is equals to new object output stream, and for this we'll pass file output stream as parameter, and simply FOS dot write object. So which object is that? OBJ. So this OBJ we are writing it onto the file, but nothing is written except the default values because transient data members does not participate in serialization process. And finally close FOS file output stream. Okay, so instead of file output stream here we'll take OOS object output stream dot write object obj, and then close file output stream and also object output stream dot close. Done. Right, so let us perform serialization now. So recompile the program and run it. So this data is written onto the file. So check it out, notepad abc.txt. So it is not in understandable format. Okay, right, because it is written in binary format. It can be read only through deserialization and read object method. Right, so here we'll also display system.out.println serialization is completed. Right, now let us perform deserialization. So in deserialization, okay, we'll take the same coding and modify it. So instead of file output stream, take file input stream, FIS is equals to new file input stream abc.txt. Next, associate this file input stream with object input stream OIS new object input stream, and here we have to pass FIS as parameter to the constructor of object input stream. and simply okay. Here OIS object input stream dot read object. So it will return that object data in object class format. So downcast that into class A format and store that in class A obj2 object reference variable. And then finally we are going to display the data using obj2. So obj2 dot display and close object input stream, file input stream. So deserialization is completed, right? So print the message here as deserialization completed, right? So save this, go to the command prompt, right? Recompile the program and run it. So initially these are the values for our given object obj, and then serialization is completed. So data is written onto file abc.txt, and then deserialization. We got the default values for int, floating 0.0. So null character is not visible, not displayed on the output screen. Next, boolean false, and for any object it is null. So this is how we are supposed to work with transient keyword in serialization and deserialization process. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.